Hi guys, I'm here and I'm back with another airdrop. Right now, it's all about Telegram mini bot or Telegram earning app. This is called Blockchain. So what is Blockchain? Right now, guys, look at this. They have 6 million, more than 6 million monthly users. Marami na rin yung nakasali, no? Pero what is Blockchain? Yan, the first TON consumer layer connects TON with EVM, BTC, and more, serving billions of TG users. Join the Star Season testnet event and experience the seamless on-chain interactions, free mint exclusive NFTs, and join an epic 10 million Telegram Star airdrop. So, ito guys, di ba, sometimes may mga airdrop na nagpapamint ng NFT. So, what we do, usually kailangan natin bumili ng gas, diba? Gas sa mga sellers or sa mga crypto exchanges para makapag-mint tayo. Pero kay Blockchain, guys, isa sa mga purpose ni Blockchain is that we will be able to mint certain NFT within their platform where we can use Telegram stars just to mint an NFT. So, hindi na natin kailangan pang pumunta or bumili ng panggas kung kanino-kanino. Kasi dito mismo sa platform nila is we will be able to mint an NFT. So, yan guys. Dito naman, kailangan lang natin i-open. Yan, i-open lang yung mini bot. Meron din silang pa-airdrop for now. So, I guess it's worth it to join as well. So, yan. Enter lang natin. Enter and then bind successful. Creating your ID card. Madali lang naman siya, guys. Ayan. So, claim lang natin yung natin dito, hamster duck ID card. Ito yung ID card na automatic na generate ni Blockchain for me. So, i-claim ko lang yan. Ayan. Collect. Meron na akong additional or join Star Season. Click lang natin yan, collect. Ayan, so pagka-join natin guys, meron agad tayo makukuhang welcome bonus. May egg, may star ba to? Ano to? Yung may emoji. Ayan, so star and then egg. Pero dito naman guys, we can also earn additional points. Dito lang sa tab na earn. Pwede natin gawin tong mga task para makarami tayo ng points dito sa social, wherein we can just follow their social channels and academy naman, YouTube, watch their YouTube videos, or pwede rin kayong sumali sa events yan. Coming soon pa naman yung events nila. For example naman guys, dito sa social, no, try natin sumali sa, i-follow lang natin si Blockchain sa Twitter, para lang makita ninyo. And then, the other task naman, you can do it on your own. Ayan, so na-claim na siya. Automatic na siyang nag-add dito sa total balance ko. So, and then, join Blockchain community sa Telegram. Go! Yan, di yun na kailangan guys i-claim pa kasi once na nag-join kayo or nagawa nyo yung task, automatic na siya mapupunta dun sa balance ninyo. Try naman natin dito sa Academy where we can just watch their one of their YouTube video here. Ayan. Let's see if this will add. So, task not accepted yet. So, kasi hindi pa naman natin siya. So, kailangan nyo mapanood yung mismong video. Ito kasi nasa pa lang. Ads. Ayan. Try natin if okay. Seconds. Yan. So, na-add na siya guys. 200 na points. So, hindi ko naman tinapos yung video pero automatic na siyang nag-add. Dito rin sa daily, pwede nyong gawin. So, OKX wallet check-in. So, kailangan may kayo. If you have all these wallets naman na nandito guys, kay OKX, kay BitGet, and then, yan, pwede nyo siyang i-claim. Daily check-in lang sa mga wallets na yan. Pero if you don't have, it's okay. Ako kasi meron akong BitGet pero I don't have an OKX wallet. So, check-in lang daw natin. Kailangan lang natin i-approve. Ayan. So, ayan guys. Return to the website. So, add na siya. Pero bakit sa OKX White dapat sa BitGet? Yan, dito naman dito sa daily check-in, once you visit the mini app daily, you can just click it and claim the additional 100 na DAC points. So, and then sa star, what do we have here? Balance. So, deposit. If you deposit, guys, Telegram stars, you can get additional stars if you deposit. And then testnet naman, what do we have here sa testnet? Ayan, pwede nyo gawin yung testnet, guys. Ito, mag-deposit lang kayo ng star or pwede kayo mag-claim sa faucet nila. And then, yan. That's it. Madali lang. Maraming task dito para makarami tayo ng DAC chain na points. So, pwede rin kayo mag-invite ng friends ninyo. If you have friend, you can just send them your referral link and then you'll get 100 to 500 na DAC or 1 quack box. So, that's it, guys. Napakadali lang ng task nito. Marami ditong pwedeng gawin para dumami yung points ninyo. Sipagan nyo lang yan. And then, if you want more free crypto airdrops with step-by-step tutorial, you can also subscribe to this channel. And then, dito naman, guys, sa DAC chain, if you want to learn more about the project, if you want to, or if you have questions about the project, you can just join the community or sa Telegram channel na para pwede kayong magtanong sa mga kung meron kayong tanong. So, yun lang, guys. I hope to see you in my next videos. Thank you so much. Bye-bye!